beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty, and this is Jump Into Spring mystery box collab and also a 7-channel giveaway. We did send boxes among ourselves, so this is a mystery box that was actually sent to me, and I actually sent a mystery box to someone else in this 7 channels. So that's a really interesting way to collab, so I really loved it. So I'm really curious and excited to unbox this beauty, and there is also going to be a giveaway, and I'm going to leave the rules below in the description box, so do check that out. And also I'm going to read out the rules for this Jump Into Spring mystery box collab and a 7-channel giveaway. To enter the giveaway, the rules are: must be publicly subscribed to all the 7 channels in the collab, so 7 chances to win. You could enter all the giveaways but win only one giveaway. And next is must be 18 years of age or older, and this giveaway is for US residents only at this point of time. And next is giveaways will end on April 22nd noon EST. And the next one is leave your email address or Instagram handle in the comments to contact you. And the next one is to enter my giveaway, enter the secret word, and the word is angel, that is ANGEL, in the comments. Also please check out each channel for their secret word to enter the other channel giveaways too. And next thing is YouTube is no way affiliated with all of these giveaways. So these are all the list of channels that you should be subscribed to. I'm going to leave them in the description below, that is Unboxing with G and Single Mom Review, Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, and Caroline Gardner, and also Alicia's Review, and my channel of course, that is Beautiful Angel Juicy Reviews, and Laura the Bargain Hunter. So I actually got this beauty, so this mystery box from Alicia's Reviews, and I actually sent one of the box, that is mystery box, to Laura the Bargain Hunters. I hope you would like the box that I sent to you. And this is the box that I actually got from Alicia's Reviews, so I'm going to go over the unboxing of this. And also the giveaway would include this beauty. This is the one, so that is the ice roller from for your overworked sensitive skin, and it's made with surgical stainless steel roller. Remove ice roller from freezer and allow it to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. Since they said sheet mask, I did include one of the sheet mask, that is the charcoal pore care from Lab Cost, and this is the sheet mask that one of you guys would be getting. And also this beauty, so that is the Shayna B, and it's blush and highlighter palette. So this is the Miami blush and highlighter palette, and also 111 Skin Booster ATP Sports, and you're going to get this as well. And this is the Marley Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips, and I'm also going to include this Ipsy bag in the giveaway as well. And you also would get this eyeshadow palette in the giveaway. Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color from Il Makiage. And apart from that, you have to leave like the word that I'm going to say in the description below to enter my giveaway, and the word is angel, ANGEL. One of you guys would be chosen for this giveaway, so don't forget to leave the comment, that is the word angel, in the comments to enter my giveaway. And now let's see this beauty. Thank you Alicia Reviews for sending this box. I really loved all of these beautiful women, like all of their channels, so do check that out. Now let's see what we got. So here is the card which has my name, and it says Alicia's reviews. Awesome. Thank you, Alicia, for sending me this card. Wow, it has got a special message from Alicia. Thank you so much for sending this card. Here is the fuzzy socks that I actually received. These are like a really pretty and cozy. I love it, and I actually like the color too. They are like this blush kind of pink. Really love it. This is the first product that I actually got. And the next up I have this. So this could be used for coloring. So these are the 5 bookmarks. Let's see what we have. Please excuse me for all of that sounds. Oh, wow. Since this is like spring theme, Alicia include this one for me. This is so pretty and I really love butterflies, and this looks so pretty. I love it. You actually melted my heart with this one. I really loved it. Wow, this is what it says. Family is everything. I'm going to put our picture in this one. This is such a nice thing to include. Wow, let's see what we have next. It says, when it doubt, wing it out. This is the eyeliner, and this is liquid eyeliner in black. So this is the eyeliner that I got, and this is the black eyeliner. You can never ever get like enough of black eyeliners. So even now, if you see, I'm wearing a black eyeliner, so I always run out of them. Thank you for including that. And let's see what we have next. I really like how these packagings are. Wow, it's going to be like fun micro puzzles. It's going to be massive fun. So these are like teeny tiny puzzles. So wow, this is so cute, and even the packaging looks like a test tube. Next, so this is the one. It is Ditto, and this is Ice Cube Glitter Short Shadow, and this one in the Golden Sunshine. This is like such a cute and teeny tiny size, and this looks really cute and fun size. Next up, there is this one as well. It's this hand sanitizer. Like, you really thought of the current situation or current scenario that we are going right now, and you did include such a personal touch. I love you so much. This is the one. So it is the Juliet Has Gun, the sample size perfume that I got. So the next beauty that I have is, here is the Moon charm with this necklace. That's a really cute one. I usually wear like necklaces as the hairpiece, so this looks really cute. Thank you, Alicia, for sending me all these. I really loved my mystery box, and love you so much. To enter the giveaway, do enter the word angel in the comments below, and also do check out the giveaway rules in the description below. And well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.